this is Braden Orky here, and welcome to another video. And today it is really windy. Oh, someone's garbage can just fell over. I know I said that I was going to not be on for this week, but apparently things are going a lot better. But as you can see here, it is very, very gusty today and snowy. It's just stopped snowing just about an hour ago. Trying to slip here. Whoa, whoa. Anyways, you hear the crunching of the dirt. See how windy it is? So, oh yeah, little heads up, we might lose power. So if that does happen, man, why is my jaw so weird? It's weird. Anyways, if we do lose power, I will be, do another video of my X-Sign combo lighting up the room. Oh, I'm cold. I'm not even wearing a jacket. Man, it is like gusty. Like really gusty out. Matter of fact, the power has been actually blowing once in a while, like the lights will cut off and back on. And probably, if you're not familiar, but my voice is actually kind of weird because I'm cold. I'm probably even shaking. Hold on. Ah. Anyways, yes, it's really cold and windy. Oh. People, if you're wondering about our train lights, hold on a sec. I'll show you guys them. If you're curious, I'll do a daytime version later. The fact that it's so dark. So here's our train lanterns. They are fixed with a light bulb inside. That's the light bulb in there. But yeah. These were kerosene, but they've been switched out with a light, and they have two lenses. We got a green lens and we got a red lens. Over here, kind of the same story. But this one's a little bit different. This one here, it's a little different design. Still same thing, light bulb inside. This one's kind of harder to see because it is like a almost sheared glass. I'm not sure what it is. Almost like a reflective glass, pretty much. But it's bright. You can probably see without getting too business, but you can kind of see red on the house. It's really bright. Don't want to get too much into privacy there. Anyways, yeah. So any further updates, I will get to you. If we do this power, I will do a well, that's only under one condition: if the power stays out. Because sometimes, once in a while, when it does cut out, I run to my X-Sign and the power goes back on. That was the light sensor there. Anyways, but yeah, if there's anything crazy, I'll do it. If there isn't, then, well, I guess stay tuned. I don't know. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you for the good, I don't know, comments. Anyways. Okay, I'm heading inside. This is cold. One second. Anyways, oh. The fact that if we might not lose power, I will do a simulated power outage for you guys. Again, this is All Pro Exercise Combo. I got this at a Lowe's. And, yeah. So, in 3, hold on, let me see if we can. So, 3, 2, 1, hold on. Let's grab the cord. There we go. So, let's just say, hold on, the power's out. Close the door so it's darker in here. But, as you can see, the light there does light up. Hold on a sec. Come on, turn off there. So, every single light in this whole entire room is off. And this thing, as you can see, it's lighting up quite a lot here. Sorry, it's a little messy. I was kind of cleaning up today. Anyways, so yeah. So basically what I got here is this head here is pointing at the door. So if there was emergency, I would just open up the door. And that light there is just pointing right there at that side of the bed. Now what I can do is, if I want to be kind of fancy here, I can just